Hi there, students. Exuberant, an adjective. Exuberance, the corresponding noun. Okay, if somebody is exuberant, they are full of joy, full of happiness. They're also full of enthusiasm and energy. So he felt exuberant after passing his exam. Exuberant, high-spirited, energetic and cheerful, ebullient. The team were exuberant after winning the match. We can also use exuberant to talk about things that are growing abundantly, profusely, luxuriant growth. There is exuberant growth in plants during the spring. Look at the exuberance of my beard. Plentiful. There was exuberant vegetation everywhere. So exuberant, unrestrained, lavish, extravagant. And here we go to the next bit. They were exuberant with their comments and flattery. They did nothing but compliment and flatter me. My grandmother is in exuberant good health, unrestrained. Don't let your exuberance get you carried away and then you start to make silly mistakes. Yeah? Too much exuberance. Slow down and think about it. Kids live their lives, or little kids anyway, in alternating states of exuberance and tears. He was in an exuberant mood. So, very happy, very enthusiastic or energetic about life. And then something growing profusely, or an abundance of something. So exuberant, firstly, extremely happy, and then an abundance of energy, of growth, in really good, okay? So, what about the formality of exuberant? I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. Let's see, informally. He was over the moon. He was ecstatic. I think exuberance probably a bit too formal for a chat in the pub. I think I would use exuberant in something slightly more formal or something very formal. Exuberant sounds quite literary as well. And what about origin? Well, in Middle English, this had a meaning of overabundant, too much of, growing too much. And let's see, there was a Latin word, exuberans, to feel exuberant. Ex, out of, and uber, yeah, as in the taxis, the udder. The udder is the place in a cow or a goat where the milk comes from, the teats. So I think this uber, meaning udder, is a goat that has a huge amount of milk and the milk is dripping out or spraying everywhere. Okay? So, exuberant, full of joy, happiness, energy, enthusiasm. Lavish, extravagant, exuberant growth. Yeah? Luxuriant, that was the word I was looking for. Luxuriant growth. And then in great abundance. Yeah? The exuberant party had everything we wanted. Exuberant, happy, and they provided everything we needed. So there you go, exuberant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Exuberant, exuberant.